All right, everyone. This morning I'm at the Lake Apopka North Shore. This is the McDonald Canal entrance. The canal itself is down that road right there. It is a public boat ramp. There is trail parking right here. As you can see, this gate right here will lead you into the Lake Apopka North Shore property itself, with a little bit of a trailhead over here. We're not doing this trail right here today because this is going to be the Lake Apopka Loop Trail instead. We're going to go back up this road here that we came in on, and there's a little loop trail a little bit further up the road. A little bit. This is the McDonald Canal. It has a public boat ramp as well as places to launch a canoe or kayak, and stairs if you need assistance getting into a slightly higher boat. There are also restrooms, a bike rack, parking lot with trailer parking, a picnic pavilion, water fountain, and trash cans. Alrighty, this is going to be the entrance to what they call the Red Trail here. I'm just up the road from the parking lot. It's not very far. You can probably still see my car over there. But yeah, you are just along the road here. And yeah, this is going to be the entranceway right there. First thing I've noticed since starting this trail is that there are a lot of bugs here. So long sleeves, coverings, bug spray, all of those things are recommended. All right, about 0.2 miles from the road, you'll come across this here. Is the start of the Red Trail. They do have another post over here as well. So the loop itself is going to go off in either direction for your markers. I normally go right first, so let's get going. All right, the trail comes out here. I'm going to guess this is somewhere near the edge of the property. As you can see, they've done this to it. So you're going to keep going this way though. All right, we've come to another little bit of a fork. We're actually going to go into the woods now instead of continuing down this, which I'm quite happy about. That dirt is very soft and it's not the best to walk on. So yeah, we're just going to get into the woods, see what we see. All right, I'm about at the 1.5 mile mark. There's a one there. I'm not sure if that's a mile marker or not, but there's a nice bench here. It's a pretty good spot to stop. Nice and shady. It's not too hot here. It's still a bit on the humid side, but it's pretty nice through here actually. I'm still encountering random pockets of bugs, but they're not as thick as they were at the start of the trail. So there is that, at least. Yeah, keep on trucking. We are almost 2.5 miles into our hike. So looks like you probably got about a 2.5 mile round trip for this trail. So we're headed back down the yellow trail to the parking lot again.